That hairstyle is one of my hairstyles I like to rock once we are in summer. And not only that, it also helped me to put on any type of wig I like to wear. I welcome you on Janoski Hairstyle. Keep watching to see how I always cut it. Voila, I'm done. So tell me how it looks on me on the comment section. And then I'll also go ahead and try on one of my wigs just for you to see how it looks also once I go on with this type of hairstyle. Keep watching. You have seen how it looks on me. It's not boogie like if you have your natural hair, except to like to go on short haircuts. It also helps you to wear any type of wig you want to wear. Keep watching. Learning is just a process, so I'm so happy to see that I can rock any type of hairstyles I want. So far, I'm the one that's going to do it on my own. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for next upcoming video. Bye.